Have you ever pondered over the question, just how far have we come in the realm of robotic technology? What once was a figment of sci-fi writers' imagination, today stands on the brink of becoming an everyday reality. Begin with the mid-20th century, a time when robots were largely confined to the pages of science fiction novels. The word robot itself, stemming from a Czech word meaning forced labor, only came into common parlance post the first half of the 20th century. Fast forward to the 1960s, the world saw the advent of the first industrial robot, Humanoid, a machine that could perform physical labor with precision and consistency that humans could only dream of. This marked a significant milestone in the evolution of robotic technology. Then came the 80s, a period that witnessed the birth of the first truly autonomous robot, the Stanford cart. This machine was capable of navigating and sensing its environment without any human intervention, thus setting the stage for the modern era of robotics. Entering the 21st century, robots began to resemble their human creators more closely. In 2004, the world was introduced to Asimo, a humanoid robot that could walk, talk, and even understand commands. Fast forward to today, and robots have become an integral part of our lives, from automated factories to self-driving cars, from robotic prosthetics to household robots. The journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride, and it's far from over. But the question remains, what's next? As we stand on the threshold of a new era where artificial intelligence and robotics converge, the possibilities are endless. From robots that can learn and adapt to machines that could potentially outperform humans in a multitude of tasks, the future holds exciting prospects. In summary, the evolution of robotic technology has been a journey of constant innovation and discovery. From the first industrial robot of the 60s to the autonomous robots of today, each milestone has pushed the boundaries of what's possible. And as we look forward to the future, one thing is certain: the world of robotics has a lot more in store for us. So next time you marvel at a piece of robotic technology, remember the journey it has undertaken. From a concept in a sci-fi novel to an everyday reality, robotics has come a long way, and its journey is far from over.